Sige. Sige, approach nyo.
Sir.
Okay. Ready to knee. Knee. Yan. Parehong yung position nyo ha. Yan, mali sa'yo. Yan. Okay, sir, yung muna yung kamay mo.
Show your hands.
Yan.
Okay. Sir. Sir.
Nakikiligtin sa tugod nyo.
Good job. Please.
Putabitin ninyo, please. Yan.
Go. Go.
Okay.
Ready to up. Up.
Flip nyo, flip.
Flip.
Lakad pagputan nyo. Inner foot. Inner foot mo muna.
Ready to go.
Pag hindi mo practice kasi yan, delikado.
Sabay. Wala na timing yun.
Yan, dito sabay na. Okay, unload.
Down.
Okay. Dito unload. Unload.
Down.
Siyempre ayusin nyo, di mapapagot yung victim natin. Yan. Okay. Yan yung tinitingnan.